it's Shelly, Karen from On The Go and MCO, and I am here at Disney's Riviera Resort with a look at their new tower suites. Now, it's a brand new room type. It sleeps two. It's nice and cozy. Let's take a look around. The first thing that hits you as you look around the room is that it has a purpose and a place for everything. Let's take a look at this wall. So over on this wall, you have a ton of storage, as well as your microwave and your refrigerator. Each side of the Murphy bed has these two drawers since there isn't a formal dresser. And this is the Murphy bed. So we're gonna stop real quick because I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's all folded up. Isn't that so cool that you don't have to move anything? The couch kind of folds down and down goes the Murphy bed, and the artwork above is just so whimsical. It's a lovely take on Peter Pan. Also, if you look really closely, there are two nooks on either side of the bed that feature USB chargers, as well as a place for you to plug in your regular outlets. Then on this side of the bed, you have some more storage and a nook. Now you can do your makeup here. You can, write down some memories. Unfortunately, if you have to do a little work, you can take care of that here. It's also where you're going to find your coffee maker. Another lovely thing about this resort is the artwork, and they didn't leave out the Tower Studios because in this one, they have a piece of artwork that harkens back to the Riviera Resort and the Aristocats. Now you can see the railing right here on your own private patio. Each of these tower suites has its own private patio with a lovely hidden Mickey detail. Now another great thing is the television. Now, I talked about this over at the Grand Destino Resort, but this is your smart TV that has all of your plans for the day. You can see your photo pass pictures. You can find out all sorts of information about the hotel, as well as the parks. And what's that I spy? One day at Disney, of course. Now, the last place we're going to look here in this room is the bathroom. And it's pretty awesome. There is tons of space and storage here. You've also got an oversized shower. I'm going to open this door real quick because you've got your waterfall tower, your rain shower, as well as your handheld. And I really love that they've gone to the reusable, refillable bottles in the shower because I have really thick hair and I don't have to ask for extra shampoo. Again, it's got a lovely sized vanity. And if you're concerned you might need a little extra storage, just check these out. You have a very nice sized closet, your ironing board, your safe, your luggage holder, as well as a foldable laundry basket. They've thought of everything. You can find out more information about these tower studios over on our website, On The Go and MCO. Would you stay here? I know I would. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. While you're there, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that like button because we'll see you real soon.